Hey, so this is going to show you how to do a paired t-test when we do not have data analysis on Excel. And Google Docs does not support this one. So instead we are going to use this website that is posted. And it says treatment 1 and treatment 2. So that could be a pre-post. In this case, it is quite literally treatment 1. So I'm just copying and pasting. And then treatment 2. And you can see that they're still matched, so you know that you copied and pasted everything that you were supposed to. So we're going to be at 95% confidence. This one is two-tailed. We didn't have any preconceived notion that one treatment was better than the other. We just want to see if they're different. Hit calculate, and there is my t-value. It gives you all of the calculations if you want to see it. And then we're all the way at the bottom, so there's my t-value again, and there is my p-value. So it is significant, but barely. In fact, when we round up, it is 0.05 exactly, which is significant.